In this video, we are showing you a step-by-step tutorial on how to create your white label page in Arrivedo and how to display your content inside your own website. Sign in to Arrivedo and click Hotel Admin in the top right menu. Once there, select your hotel. This is your Hotel Admin panel in Arrivedo. Click in the White Label tab to display the configuration options. You will find plenty of them, like the background color for your neighborhood guide inside Arrivedo. Choose a color or write a hex value directly. Click OK and then press Update Preview so you can see how it looks before you publish your changes. You can also select the font of the entire page and customize your welcome message. This section over here is for your direct booking button. You can provide the text of the button, the booking URL of your hotel, and also the colors for this element. There is also a space on the left of the header so you can give your readers a quick access to any page on your website. Of course, you can select the color of this text. Finally, you can choose whether to display tips or not. Same thing for your hotel info. And now we're done. Click Update and Publish Preferences to see this live in Arrivedo. You probably want to display this beautiful content right in your website. We got you covered. Simply grab the iframe code at the bottom of the white label page and insert it in your website. We'll go deeper with this in a moment. Once you've copied the code, sign into your CMS admin panel. In this case, we are using WordPress. Select the page you want to publish your content to. And be sure to enable the code editor. And just paste the iframe right where you want it. Click Update. And that's it. Let's see how it looks. Cool. Get the best out of your white label solution, we recommend you to install your embedded neighborhood guide in its own page, accessible in your main navigation, and let the content fill the entire page, just like in these examples. It looks as a great part of your website and provides a better experience for your visitors. This process should be very similar with other content management systems, and also with static web pages. Ask your provider for guidance. Thanks for watching.